Hi everyone! Today's recipe is a bread recipe. It's a recipe without butter and sugar added, and no need to bake in the oven. So let's get started. Crack 2 eggs and add 160 ml milk. Give them a whisk. Then add the other ingredients such as baking powder, salt, and paprika. Then gradually add the bread flour in portion using your hand. Incorporate the grated parmesan cheese and bits of mozzarella. The last ingredient to add is minced parsley. Mix all the ingredients well. Knead the dough for 1 minute on the working table and form a ball. Divide it into 2 balls and flatten them. Don't worry because the dough is soft and is easy to flatten. Now that the dough is flattened, cut it in 8 triangles using a pizza cutter. Now they are ready to be fried in the pan. Pour 130 ml of seed oil and start frying the triangles. Use a spatula for easy flipping. The triangle breads are ready! There is a bread recipe for everyone. So try this. Thank you for watching.